Do you love to take selfies? If yes, then you really need to check out this smartphone that I'm going to show you right now. This is Vivo V5 Plus, the first smartphone that offers you a 20 megapixel plus an 8 megapixel selfie camera. So you can create some bokeh effects in the selfies that you take. The smartphone has 5.5-inch Full HD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The rear has a 16 megapixel camera and it has 4 GB of RAM with Snapdragon 625 CPU to take care of processing and multitasking. So in this video we are going to talk about this smartphone's USP, that is 20 megapixel plus an 8 megapixel dual selfie camera, its specifications, its features and what we have got in the box. So I'm Rohit Arora from Gizbot and this is the unboxing and video review of Vivo V5 Plus. Let's get started. So guys, this is the packaging of the Vivo V5 Plus, the world's first dual selfie camera smartphone. In the box you get the Vivo V5 Plus handset, which indeed looks premium but resembles Apple iPhone 7 to a great extent. The box also has a power adapter, a micro USB charging cable, a pair of earphones that once again takes design cues from the earphones you get with an Apple iPhone. Besides, there's another small box in the package that includes a SIM card ejector tool, user documentation, a glossy silicone case and a screen protector for the Vivo V5 Plus. So in all you get a total of 5 accessories in the package when you buy a Vivo V5 Plus from retail stores across the country at a price of Rs 27,980. Let's just put everything else in the box and focus on the handset, which is designed to change the selfie experience in the market. As I said, the Vivo V5 seems to be inspired from the Apple iPhone 7, especially when you look the handset from the rear side. The right side of the phone has physical buttons and a 3.5mm headphone jack is placed at bottom along with a mic, micro USB charging port and a speaker unit. The dual SIM card tray is positioned on left. The front has the dual lens camera along with an earpiece, LED flashlight and a light sensor. The rear side sports a 16 megapixel camera with an LED flashlight. Two touch capacitive buttons are placed at bottom of the screen at the either side of the home button, which also serves as a fingerprint sensor. The home button is clickable but you can tap on it to get back to home screen. Vivo V5 Plus sports a 5.5-inch screen with 1080p resolution. This is a significant upgrade over the previously launched Vivo V5, which was criticized for packing a lower 720p resolution screen. The display on Vivo V5 Plus is fairly bright and offers vibrant colors. It also goes dim to the levels where you can comfortably use it in pitch dark conditions. Vivo V5 Plus is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 CPU, which is an octa-core chip built on 40nm manufacturing process and is known for its power efficiency in everyday usage. The CPU easily takes care of everyday tasks including camera, internet, productivity, calling and multimedia playback. Switching between the apps is smooth and it can also handle gaming with no major performance issues. However, the gameplay is not as smooth as it is on OnePlus 3T because OnePlus 3T is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 821 chipset and has 6GB of RAM. Besides, Snapdragon 625 chipset has also proven its capabilities in top battery performance and effectively handles the heating effect while you play heavy games and watch Full HD videos. The CPU is paired with 4GB of RAM that easily takes care of intense multitasking. We did not experience any lags while running multiple applications on the handset. As far as storage is concerned, Vivo V5 Plus has 64GB of internal memory, but sadly there is no microSD card support. The smartphone runs on FunTouch OS 3.0 based on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. It offers plenty of customization options and delivers a lag-free user experience. There is a dedicated theme store that lets you manage the complete look and feel of your smartphone. Our personal favorite is My House, that transforms your phone's user interface into a living room where the home's furniture and other interior artifacts work as icons to launch the applications. Besides, it is worth mentioning that the user interface of Vivo V5 Plus is heavily inspired from Apple's iOS 10. The theme has stock icons that look exactly like the ones on iPhone and even the app's interface is strikingly similar. More so, you also get a similar control center that lets you manage Wi-Fi, screen brightness, GPS, Bluetooth and other important settings. To simply put, if Apple ever designs an Android phone, then this is what it's going to look like. The 5.5-inch Full HD display is amazing to watch movies and YouTube videos as colors pop up quite well. and the viewing angles are also good. You can enjoy watching videos or play heavy games on this screen, and colors look really amazing. Now let's talk about the highlight feature, the dual selfie camera. Vivo V5 Plus features a 20 megapixel primary camera paired with an 8 megapixel secondary camera that makes the smartphone the first Android handset to capture selfies with bokeh effects. The camera uses Sony IMX376 image sensor that has an aperture size of f2.0. One of the two sensors captures the depth information to create bokeh effect, and you can control the aperture value in real time that goes from f0.95 to f16 to control the amount of blurriness you need in a selfie. Besides, you can also set the point of focus after capturing a shot. Another highlight of this smartphone is the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection that protects the Full HD display from accidental drops and unwanted scratches. The biometric sensor position on the home button at the bottom of the display is quick to read the fingerprint stored in the memory and quickly unlocks the smartphone. Vivo V5 Plus packs in a 3160 mAh battery unit, which surprisingly lasts longer than some handsets packing batteries with same capacity. It can easily last a day with mixed usage and can even cross the 24-hour mark if you don't stream YouTube videos or play heavy games for longer duration. The battery unit also supports fast charging. Now let's have a look on the 16 megapixel rear camera, which is a good performer when the lighting conditions are favorable and delivers pictures that look really crisp and lively on the 5.5-inch Full HD screen. The pictures shot have ample detailing and do not show pixelation even when you zoom in the captured images to maximum. However, as the level of light drops, the noise becomes quite evident. The camera UI is easy to use, and here are some filters that you can use to tweak the pictures you click. Besides, we haven't noticed any shutter delays while clicking the pictures. The camera settings allow you to set timer, select resolution, and other basic functions. Besides, there are a number of modes to further enhance your photography experience. Our personal favorite is Ultra HD mode that utilizes camera software to deliver some high resolution images, and they look really crisp on the 5.5-inch Full HD screen of Vivo V5 Plus. The 16 megapixel rear camera can also record slow motion videos, and as you see on your screen, the results are quite good. So overall, Vivo V5 Plus is a significant upgrade over the previous Vivo V5. The smartphone brings an improved design, higher resolution screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, a decent overall performance, and above all, offers the best-in-class selfie experience. However, rear camera struggles in low-light conditions, and the smartphone is not the best option if you are looking for a device that does not compromise on sheer performance. However, if you just love to capture selfies and can adjust for a smartphone that performs everyday tasks with an ease and lasts longer, then Vivo V5 Plus is your answer. The smartphone is available at a price of Rs 27,980 at retail stores across the country, and it is one of the best smartphones we have tested in sub Rs 30,000 price point. Do subscribe our Gizbot YouTube channel to watch the latest videos in the world of technology. This is Rohit Arora signing off from Gizbot. Have a good day.